Hi, my name is Dewi Trisna Hartika. I'm joining the internship program from Singapore International School, collaborated with Academy Guru Kader Bangsa. So why I'm joining this program? Because it prepares me to teach at a Global Darussalam Academy, which implement IB curriculum. So if you ask me like why it is really important for a teacher to do internship program, because at university we only got the theoretical framework of how to teach in the classroom. But in internship program, you have an opportunity to get the real experience of teaching, especially teaching with the IB curriculum program. I think that having an internship in Singapore Intercultural School has already given me a wide opportunity to learn from the expert, from the experienced teacher, which has already implemented this curriculum really effectively. I've got an opportunity to observe my mentor class, and I saw in the classroom that the students has already got a lot of opportunity to learn independently. So the teacher in the classroom navigate and then facilitate the students to have more independent learning process in the classroom. Apart from that, I saw the students have the opportunity to collaborate with their friends, with their peers in the classroom, which enlarge their opportunity to learn, not only from the material that they have already got, but also from their peers. The things that I find really interesting is when I saw my mentor give a feedback for the students' work. I saw that my mentor give really constructive and detailed feedback on the students' work, which is I think that it is really amazing, because I think that by giving those stuff to the students have an opportunity to see what they need to improve, and the teacher give opportunity to show them in what area the students need to improve. Apart from that, I also learned how to build and create really conducive learning activity and then environment in the classroom, so the students don't need to be really dependent on the teachers, but also they search, they dig information they want, they have the ownership of their teaching and learning experience in the classroom. Being IB teacher, I think it is really challenging and demanding job, because it is, I could say that it is a bit different with other international program, because the students are expected to navigate their own learning style and then learning experience to achieve their goal. So here, the teacher is really being the facilitator of their learning and teaching in the classroom. In this part, the teacher needs to know the students' learning style and needs, because every student has different needs and learning style. So what I learned here during my internship is how the teacher tried to dig more information about their students' need, will navigate them to give a proper scaffolding to the students to be able to achieve their goal. At first, when I was over to be the IB teacher, I was really worried, to be honest, because I got the information about how to teach IB program, but to be honest, I didn't have an experience to teach in IB program. Up to I got an internship program at SIS. Oh, here is what I learned, and then I saw the implementation of what I learned during my training into the practical in school. So I think that because of this internship program, I feel ready to teach in my school in the future.